Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Pretty car, guys. It's tuxedo black. It's got the red Super Sport stripe down the sides, the black vinyl interior. Pretty car, good solid straight body. Love the wheel package on it. It's got those are the year one, the billet SS rallies on it. It's 18, they're 18s and 17s. Really a good looking car. Big block 454 with a little bit of cam to it underneath the hood. 400 trans, 12 bolt rear end. It's got air, tach engages. It's got a good look to it. Really just a pretty car. Love the black. Car's got a great look to it. Good solid West Virginia body. Chrome and stainless is really nice. You pick a little bit on the paint. It's an older paint, but very nice. You can see nice and straight down the sides. Love the wheels and tires on this car. Good looking car. Again, 18 and 17 inch billet wheels. Front disc brakes. Again, it's got a little bit of a cammed up big block 454 underneath the hood, 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's got brand new vintage air on it, power steering, power front disc brakes, 400 trans. Car sits good. Again, you can see your reflection in the paint. I mean, the car is slick. It's got a great look to it. New door handles. New carpet, new sill plates. I apologize, I hate quarter glass. I like the windows down in these cars, and unfortunately that little crank mechanism is come off, so we're gonna have to send it over to the glass shop, but we'll make sure we get that fixed. Bucket seats, console, factory tach engages, showing 20,000 on the odometer. I'm sure that's 120. It's got the aftermarket vintage air, aftermarket radio. It's got dual exhaust, 12 bolt, 336 limited, 336 rear end. I think I'm saying that right. Spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's nice and clean underneath. You can see the new duals, 12 bolt. It's got billet trailing arms too. I forgot about that. Sorry guys, just a little dust in there. Seats are nice. Dash is in good shape. We have a rookie on the video here today. Gonna have Nathan, my son, helping me out. Jay's out picking up a car, so we'll try to break him in easily. You know how to turn on the air in there? It's a little bit different. It's got the vintage AC. The air does work, guys. It's brand new. Yep, it's got it on. Have Jordy help me out and pin the hood here. Go ahead, Jordy. We're missing a little knob. We'll try to order that too. I saw that. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are working in there. Yeah, car's got a great sound. Car sounds good. Radio, gotta flip it on. I don't know if you turn it or if it just turns. Yeah, pretty sure that works. We'll check it. I know the blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good looking car, man. That's a nice, when you got a good straight black car, there's nothing prettier than a clean, straight black car. Sorry, somebody pull up. Have a great day, guys.